Hi, I'm Jim Weaver for Pluralsight, and I'm a software developer who spent a lot of time helping teams with their automation and support tools. Programming's a lot of fun, but helping programmers get the most out of their tools is fun too. Confluence is Atlassian's knowledge sharing and collaboration tool. As the content in any information sharing tool grows, keeping that information clean, consistent, well-organized, and easy to find becomes a significant challenge. Confluence supports a decentralized model of administration, and space administrators are able to manage and customize Confluence spaces for their team. The Confluence Content Administration and Customization course will focus on the capabilities available to space administrators. We'll cover how to organize and repair space content, how to manage space permissions and page-level restrictions, how to customize the look and feel of individual spaces, how to create custom page templates to allow your users a quick and consistent way to create common content, and how to manage the import and export of content in your spaces. By the end of this course, you'll be able to manage and customize Confluence spaces for your own teams.